This is our 2006 Passport Vista 515 aft cockpit sailboat. It's an elegant and extremely functional cruiser with the high quality and attention to detail that Passport yachts are known for. Its design and components produce a quality yacht that is easy to sail in all conditions while still offering the very best in living accommodations. This yacht has a 2-stateroom, 2-head layout below. She has a long waterline, a well-designed hull, plus a balanced skeg-hung rudder, which all help provide easy handling at sea. She has been updated regularly and kept in fantastic condition. Just look at the teak. The stern features stainless steel dinghy davits and motor lift along with a convenient swim ladder. The aft cockpit is well organized, spacious, and deep. The seats throughout are wide and comfortable, and the winches are thoughtfully placed. The teak cockpit table has fold-out leaves and can be tucked away for even more cockpit space. Views from the helm are excellent, and the helm features updated Raymarine electronics and a bow thruster. More electronics can be found forward above the companionway. There's actually still a lot of space behind the cockpit, and features here include 2 teak stern perch seats, deep storage locker, and a grill. Clear side decks, tall lifelines, and sturdy grab rails all contribute to ease of forward movement. Features up front include a lighthouse electric windlass, stainless steel double anchor roller, and an amazingly large lazarette locker with access to the divided chain locker. She features plenty of hatches for light and airflow below. And she has a Furling jib and Furling code 0 with a Selden mast and in-boom Furling mainsail. The interior of this yacht is incredibly spacious, with warm teak everywhere you look and numerous ports and hatches for a breezy and airy atmosphere. The layout is well planned, with 2 staterooms, 2 heads, and a large galley and main salon. Throughout this lovely interior, you will find Passport's trademark solid teak doors and louvered lockers. After stepping down the gently sloped companionway steps, the galley is immediately to port. A true chef's delight, it would be hard to find another galley with as much usable counter space and storage as this one. The front and top opening fridge and freezer are on either side of the stove. And the stove is a Force 10 3-burner stove with oven and broiler. Like I mentioned, this galley boasts a ton of storage options and counter space. And the double stainless steel sink with salt and freshwater foot pumps nicely completes the galley. Directly across from the galley is the guest and day head. Features include a lot of counter space and storage just like the rest of the boat, as well as a shower. There is also private access to this head from the guest stateroom. The private guest cabin is enveloped in beautiful high-quality woodwork and has a large quarter berth plus hanging lockers and various other storage options. As we move to the bow, the forward-facing nav station is to starboard. The wide desk is a perfect place to get some work done or to chart your course. It has all your electronics close by, plus a 12-volt outlet. Just down one step is the spacious Salon. A large U-shaped settee with dining table is to port, with a straight settee directly across to starboard. There are plenty of shelves and storage outboard to both sides, as well as inside the folding dining table. The large fixed windows made possible by the raised deck make the interior very light and bright. There's also excellent ventilation throughout, with 13 ports, 3 hull ports, and 5 hatches, all of which have screens and can open. Continuing forward from the Salon, you enter the spacious master stateroom. The centerpiece of this cabin is a large elevated island V-berth with storage underneath and outboard to both port and starboard. There's a private ensuite head with a separate shower stall. She is powered by a 100 horsepower Yanmar diesel, which you can easily access from under the companionway steps. But also, there is a unique and very functional large walk-in workshop located just aft of the galley. Here, there is even more engine access, as well as shelving and storage lockers. The Northern Lights generator, steering quadrant, and autopilot are also within easy reach. This semi-custom Passport Vista 515 is a world-class example of a blue water yacht of unparalleled quality. This rare yacht is in high demand and she is ready to go cruising, so get in touch with us today. And as always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs, and for more listings, visit our website.